Gusto mo ba ng condo unit na malapit sa business hubs, top schools, hospitals at major roads like Alabang Zapote Road at SLEX? Well, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Welcome to South 2 Residences, ang perfect home para sa mga gusto ng elegant at convenient living sa Las Piñas City. Located within the SM South Mall Complex, nandito na rin ang lahat ng kailangan mo. Shopping, dining, entertainment at essentials ay nasa isang community lang. Dito mo ma-enjoy ang world-class amenities tulad ng swimming pools, landscape gardens, function rooms at elegant lobbies na may hotel-like feel. 30,000 lang reservation fee, makakasecure ka na ng unit mo. 13,000 within 42 months with zero interest, may 1 bedroom with balcony ka na. Kaya message me now for more info.